You how to edit categories in QuickBooks Online in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser, head to the QuickBooks website, and click Sign In at the top right. Enter your email and password to log in. Once you're on the dashboard, click the gear icon in the top navigation bar and select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see all your financial categories. Find the category you want to edit. Scroll or use the search bar to save time. On the right-hand side, click the drop-down menu, 3 dots, then choose Edit. Now, you can update details like the category, name, description, or account type. Double-check your changes, then click Save to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully edited your QuickBooks categories. Keeping your chart of accounts updated helps you stay organized and ensures accurate reports. For more QuickBooks tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.